Hey friends, how's it going? Y'all, I found the cutest tray at Hobby Lobby. And I was like, I know what to do with that. What have you guys been doing today? I hope you've had a great day. I don't know why I kept like, is today Saturday? No, today is not Saturday, even though it kind of felt like it was. Oh my goodness. Do y'all ever have days like that? As you're hopping on, say hello. Let me know where you're watching from. And y'all, I think this was, it has $6.49, but I think it's like, I think it's 40% off right now. Isn't that awesome? And I'm going to paint it white. Probably just whitewash it. You know how I like to whitewash. Oh my goodness. I got to get over here and see what y'all are saying. What y'all saying? Hey Ann, hey Janet, hey Linda. Anyway, isn't this cute? And you can even, if you want to, you can take little screws out, like if you want to stain it or something, or spray paint it. I don't know. What would y'all do to it? I'm going to kind of whitewash it. Because y'all know I like me some whitewash. Oh my goodness. Hey Jania. Janet, Pam, you thought yesterday was Friday? Then you know what I'm talking about. Days are hard to keep up with. They are for me anyway. Thank you guys for sharing. Hey Marilyn and Connie. I almost did a project tonight. I've been saving like glass jars. So I almost did like a kind of like a Halloween potion jar or something, but I wasn't sure if y'all decorate for Halloween. If you like those kind of projects, let me know. Let me know. So we got us a Hobby Lobby find, and I especially like finding it when it's 40% off. Don't y'all? Hey Judy. You're in the Lake of the Ozarks, Susan. Fun. Fun, fun, fun. We just got through having supper. Jenny and Locke and me and Barry. And Stella is still at her other grandma's until Jenny feels a little bit better. We're having a good time. I'm going to water. It's been a long week. Yes, Pam, I agree. 100%. Oh. Y'all, she's getting better every day. I know she'll be even, like, way better next week when she gets that drain out. Let's see. Cindy does not decorate for Halloween. Hey, hey, hey. Look. And y'all, I'm not going to worry about taping this off. You totally could. Oh, you remember that incision well? Yes. Hey, Brenda. How's it going? Look, this is like going on bigger than I want it to. Let me grab me a little wipe. Oh, my goodness. Have y'all done any shopping? Your Snoopy ice cream cone kit arrived. Awesome. Okay. Okay. Yes. That's more like it. I don't want it to be solid. I want it to be like a white stain. Terry wants some Halloween projects. So y'all, that's what I'm asking in the comments. Do y'all want Halloween projects live? I know I can do some that are videos. Sue said, bring it on. I might wish I had to take this off, but I'm not going to. Cindy says she decorates for fall. That's what I thought most people do. I will go back and look. What did y'all have for dinner? Oh, Barry grilled some chicken, and then we fixed some diced sweet potatoes, sauteed some Vidalia onions. Y'all know how I love those Vidalia onions. And we did some broccoli. Can you see the difference? Hey, Cheryl. Anyway, we did some broccoli in the air fryer. It was so good. Y'all, I can eat that air fryer broccoli every day. Oh, not steady enough. But good thing you can't see that couple of little boo-boos I had. And y'all, tonight the key word is closed. Oh, look at Patricia got her some $2.99 shirts. I love a sale. Yeah, like I said, I put a link to the Hobby Lobby website. And look, y'all let me know if y'all been having trouble with the links, because some people have, and I think you need to update your, like, Facebook Messenger. Okay. Look. I think I'm gonna like this. And last night we did a darker color like this. Yeah, y'all let me know if those links are working. I don't know what's going on. Facebook and their messengers. Messages, messenger or something. Anyway. You decorate for Halloween and fall and all. You love to watch all the projects. Sweet. Y'all know we got plenty of project ideas. In fact, Jenny was coming up with some other project ideas earlier. You can't keep a good girl down, can you? Oh, Christy, did the links work? That's what I'm wondering, because sometimes they have not been working. And I'm like, what in the world? Hey, from Winter Haven, Florida. And this is actually a baby wipe. Oh, good. Yours worked? Sweet. The word did not work for Marcia. Don't we have that? We've had that problem before. Does it ever work for you, Marcia? I'm sorry. And that I honestly don't know about. Hey, hey, hey. Let's see. Hey, Sheila. Yeah, and I want to know, if one, if the word works, and two, if the links work. Because Nancy says it's working. Awesome. And look, y'all, I'm just putting a little white on here and wiping it off. You can already see like a huge difference, can't you? Thank you, Lori. And honestly, y'all, I think it's got something to do with updating your Facebook Messenger. Or that's the only thing I can come up with. And y'all, Hobby Lobby does ship. So, if you can get to this link, and I'm pretty sure you can, because I've ordered from them before. Okay, great, Sue. Thank you, Brenda. I think I like this. Just like this. Just want to make sure there's no... Thanks, Martha. Up until recently. Oh, my goodness, I don't know. Okay. Sometimes it has to do with, like, privacy settings and... Lord have mercy. All kinds of stuff. All we want to do is craft. And we want to know where things are coming from. Thanks, Bonda. Let me get a little bit of this white off. Y'all, this is super simple. You know, it was this color, like pine. Oh, did you, Cheryl? Well, it's like $3 and something at Hobby Lobby. Great, Shirley. Thank you. I'm going to go ahead and dry this. Hey, Kathy. Thank y'all so much. Yeah, this tray is... I was like, oh my gosh, that's perfect. I got a couple of little spots I'm going to clean up here. And look, I see y'all grabbing all the stuff on sale. I love it when we have Christmas in July or any kind of sale, don't y'all? Hey, Sally. It's 11. Now, this don't make any sense. It says, it's almost 12. And it says by 13, but it's a circle, so I don't know. Oh, thanks, Victoria. It's about 12 inches, and y'all, it's going to fit. The kitchen is closed. This heifer has had it perfectly. Oh, Kathy Sue, you got a paper sack. Oh, I'm so excited. That's awesome. And y'all, normally I would do something like this in black, but I have a lot of green in my kitchen, so I'm going to use pesto. Annette, yes, the snowman is still available. Just type the word closed, and I think there's a link for all the new stuff. Anyway, I cannot wait to get that snowman. Oh, Sandy, thank you. Sandy says sometimes you need to reboot your phone. Oh, look, these things are like Velcro. It's a little sander. I'm just going to sand this lightly. Because whenever if you may know this already, but whenever you paint raw wood, it kind of raises the grain. I don't even consider this a layer of paint on here because it's really just like a wash. Oh, I think it'll be so cute. I think it'll be so cute. And then I'm just going to spray it. I don't have the spray right here, but I use Krylon clear spray. And of course, y'all, I must have cleaned the transfer on this. Let me get one that looks better. Thank you, Cheryl. I think it'll be so cute. My tree from last year was from Walmart. Is that the tree you're talking about? And you know what? I hadn't checked the Walmart site. Thank you for sprinkling. I haven't checked the Walmart site to see if they even have. Hey, Tanya. I don't know if they have Christmas trees out yet. Do y'all know? Okay, I think that's... And remember what let's see. Gosh, I think I got it on there perfectly. It's probably not perfect, but it looks perfect to me. Hey, Karen. Oh my gosh, you're having coffee and a brekkie. What is a brekkie? It sounds like something I would like to eat. And like I said, whatever color your kitchen is, and my kitchen's not green, my kitchen's white, but I have like a green rug, I have like a green settee over by my kitchen table. Oh, let's see. Yes, Candy Apple Red is back. Oh my gosh. Robin, try turning your computer off or your phone, whatever you're trying to order with. That's what we were just saying about comments or messages. If you're getting a message but you can't click on anything, try resetting by turning your phone like completely off. And y'all, this is like a stinking super simple project. I'm just doing pesto all over. My cow's even gonna be pesto. But like I said, like whatever, like if black and white or gray would look better, or ash, you know, we got that new color ash that's gorgeous. Hey Rose would look better. But this is stinking easy. And I was thinking I might put it on like an apron too. And a dish towel. You know, because these transfers are reusable. Over and over and over again. Hey, from Mississippi, Colorado. Okay, now I'm just going to scoop off the excess. Hey, Kathy. It doesn't take much paste at all. And if you put like a more of a solid coat on here, you could put wax. You could wax it. Whoops. See, sometimes I get a little light on the edges. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so pretty. And I got paste on my fingers and I don't want to touch anything. Oh my gosh. Isn't that gorgeous? And look how fast it was. Y'all, this is why I fell in love with these transfers the first time I saw them, because they make you look so like skilled. Hey, Tony. But so I used white and pesto on my tray, and y'all, it's awesome. Thank you, Kathy Sue. Do you want me to call you Kathy Sue or Kathy? And look how simple that is. And you can get as elaborate as you want. Evie, isn't that crazy? Easy, easy, easy. Thanks, Mary. Oh, that would be fun. Brenda, I love it too. And like I said, it's pretty on this little tray. Pretty on an apron. Pretty on a dish towel. Pretty on a t-shirt. But I love the pesto. Oh, I will, Victoria. Thank you. I think Sue may have said put some resin on it, but I'm actually going to just spray it with Krylon. And of course, I'm not going to put any food on it. You have spaghetti for dinner? That sounds delicious. Anyway, guys, I hope this wasn't too fast for you. Isn't that stinking cute? My gosh. And then you can, like, if you want to, you can put a candle on it. Put some flowers. Put it on your kitchen counter. Whatever you want to do. You can even serve coffee from it. It's so cute. All right, friends. Thank you so much. Could I do this on a white metal tray? Yeah. And I gave y'all the link. This is from Hobby Lobby. It's on sale right now for like $3 and something. Da-da-da. Y'all, I love it when a plan comes together. And this one came together. Oh, yes. All right, for any of you guys that are cow lovers, this is perfect. It's great for the kitchen. And like I said, I'm going to put me a little spray on here so I can set stuff on it and don't worry about it. But y'all have a great night. It was good to see you. I hope you enjoyed this. Yes, and look, the comment tonight is closed, C-L-O-S-E-D, and then I'll send you the links to everything. And I've already had several people, hey Tammy, I had several people check on, say the links are working. If they're not, turn your phone off and on, and hopefully that'll fix it. All right, see y'all later. Ta-da! Bye now.